How DJI RC 2's 04 transmission flies 20 kilometers flawlessly. Ever felt like your drone controller's conspiring with glare and glitches, fumbling phone mounts that flop mid-flight and laggy feeds that clip your creative wings, leaving you grounded in gadget grief? That frustrated flutter when signals stutter or screens squint can stifle the sky-high intuition of every takeoff. If this piloting pickle soars too close for your setup, drop a comment. What's your wildest RC rant? Let's hover how 04 transmission could crest the calm. Now ascend the aggravation. Sunset shoots slipping into shadow chases as stress spirals from battery drains and Bluetooth betrayals. Burnout building when urban interference interrupts your aerial artistry amid endless app acrobatics. But picture a poised pivot. DJI RC 2's next-gen processor promising seamless sway, SOS the snags of separate screens or signal static. If you're navigating these flight frustrations in your field kit, this compact commander might just cruise you clear with a cheeky climb. Enter the DJI RC 2, your exhilarating breakthrough cradling a 5.5-inch FHD 700-nit touchscreen in a featherlight 420-gram frame. Beaming 04 video feeds up to 20 kilometers via 2T4 are antennas that defy interference like a digital force field. Imagine a solo cinematographer, golden hour glowing, powering on for instant app launch as the Mini 4 Pro hums alive. The crisp tap of controls syncing with wind-whipped horizons, evoking that visceral vibration of freedom unfurling like a drone's first flap, narrative nerves dissolving into a hypnotic harmony of hover and hunt. Its 6nm 8-core processor pulses smooth GPU grace for lag-free framing, quick-launch ditching phone tethers, all compatible with Air 3S or Neo for crosscraft conquests. Sensory surges spark with every anti-glare glance, a lightly controversial clip at phone pilots. Why tether to tiny displays when this standalone soars supreme? Drone XL hails its unshakable connection in urban buzz. Here's a mini reward. Glide on for the bonus antenna tweak that extends your edge. If feed flickers fog your footage, this could recalibrate your routine. Comment 04 to orbit that exclusive brightness hack inside. Ascend the advantages. DJI RC 2 elevates efficiency with its intuitive ergonomics honing focus for marathon missions, unleashing performance where HDMI outputs hook goggles for FPV thrills or team shares. A drone influencer gushed. No shade hunts needed. 700 nits frames shots pro fast in full sun, stirring the subtle thrill of stable streams slicing through suburbs like silk on silk. Analysts applaud its ecosystem edge as loyalty lock-in for multi-drone masters, with users echoing, upgraded from phone, signal rock solid, flights fatigue-free at 390 grams. Rhetorically, who resists that satisfying snap of quick controls conquering cables? Bulk concerns? Its compact cradle reinforces the UVP, outflying hefty rivals in portability. Thousands transmit the processor's punch for buttery app bliss. See the skyward swell. The backlit brilliance bathes buttons in balanced beam, morphing mishaps into merry maneuvers. Lightly humorous. It's like your RC hit the gym, slimming down while bulking up on range. Which lift, like 20 kilometers 04 or phone-free launch, would launch your day? Comment below for a secret app profile that amps your aerial acuity. Transmission towers are tilting toward scarcity on the DJI RC 2. Compact controllers are vanishing into 2025 skies. So sync with squadrons who've soared its 04 feeds for interference-immune imagery, as Heligui affirms. Smooth pro operation out of the case. No loiter. Lift yours now before backorders ground and gaze the glory. Click to unlock that exclusive HDMI guide, making FPV a fanciful flick. Don't just watch. Throttle up and transform your takeoffs today.